Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Nvidia graphics card is not detecting HDMI on Windows, then please watch this video. Now, before going to the hardware thing, we will try to update Windows and the graphics card drivers. So the first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to update graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first option and select Update Drivers. Okay, and the next one is the Nvidia one because we are facing issue with the Nvidia graphics card. So right click on it and update the driver. Last solution is to check cables. So the cable should be tight, the cable should be connected to the graphics card well, and this is supposed to be done by a hardware technician. Please do not do it yourself if you do not know how to do it exactly. So contact a hardware technician. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.